up guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I want to go ahead and detail the wheel wells of my car. I want to get it prepped ready for the coilover install, so I'm going to go ahead and jack the car up, degrease everything inside, brush it all down, pressure wash it off, and just make it spotless and dustless, so when I bring the car in the garage and lift it up and take the suspension off, there won't be a lot of mess and grease and stuff all over the place. So I just want to do like a preliminary precautious cleaning prior to installing the coilovers. So let me show you how the car looks right now before I start on detailing the wheel wells. Here's the car on the jack stands, just for the front because I only have two. I don't know where my other ones went, but lift up the car. As you can see, the undercarriage is really dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on tripod so you can get a little behind the scenes look on the detailing process. It seems I'm missing a couple tabs right there. Here is the passenger side, equally as filthy. As you can see, it's pretty caked on there. So I went to Home Depot and picked this up right here, the heavy duty citrus degreaser. This brand, Zep, also has a purple/blue one that's called like 505. That's a really strong one, but I wanted a citrus degreaser since I'm going to be messing with it. And you know, I don't want to smell any nasty odors, but apparently the other one is okay too. I did full on fill up right here. So I have it in my little bottle filled to the top. I didn't dilute it because I want it to be as strong as possible. The only thing I have to worry about when I go ahead and spray it on there, I gotta try to avoid spraying on the rotors and the brakes. I mainly just want to use this for the wheel well. So I'm gonna put you on tripod and we're gonna start this whole process. Alright guys, so after 2 passes of the degreaser and some brushing, this is what it looks like. It is an old car, about 17 years old, but there are some nicks here from rocks. There's paint splattered here, which I can remove with acetone probably later, but as you can see, it's super nice. Back to plastic, no dirt, no grime. This is unfortunately rusted out, which apparently is common on all the S2000s. But of course I cleaned this a little bit, but this is going to come out with the new coilovers coming in. Was able to clean a little bit of the sway bar, subframe, the splash shield. Brakes, didn't bother doing that because I might actually replace them in the future. I don't like the rusted top right there, and I don't think it's worth the time to actually refinish them. Here it is on the passenger side, looks a lot better than the driver's side. Again, this is just the bare, dried, stripped down plastic after a good scrubbing. So I'm gonna eventually dress this up with all season dressing from McGuire's. It comes in tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that after I put the coilovers on. But right now I want it as dry as can be so that I can install the coilovers with no hiccups. So we're gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on so I can actually drive the car into the garage. Gonna be moving my brother's car out, so we have enough room in here to do the coil install, and that's gonna be part 2 of the video. So I'm gonna set all this up right now, and we're gonna go back again in a couple days for part 2 where I install the Ohlin coilovers on my Honda S2000. So stay tuned for that, and be sure to check it out.